Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. So I was making shoes earlier and I went down to have some lunch and my Amazon order came in. I can't lift it up right now, but it's two of the same thing thanks to one of the crafty ladies on Instagram. Actually, it was a crafty planner person that I saw. She was staging her planner, and she had a container which is by Story on Amazon, and it's supposed to be like a makeup palette organizer, but it came in this box. It's empty right now, but let me show you what it is. It is this Mamma Jamma. It's 12 by 12 by, it holds a 12 by 12 paper pad. It is 12 inches lengthwise, and let's see, 6 3/4 deep. So from the front to the back, it's 6 3/4, and it is 6 inches tall at the tallest part. But look at what you could use this thing for. They have it here for crafting. So you have a 12 by 12 paper pad, you've got some stamps and some handy tools just ready for you. And I wanted to reorganize my shelving here. This is where you would fit a 12 by 12 in the back spot right here, this whole length. They also show it organizing your desk for iPads and your phone, or even your makeup and even the gaming system. So this was a nice little purchase. I can try and link I could try and put the link in the description box after this video. But when I purchased mine, I purchased two. I purchased two. My husband was wondering, what is this for? But this is mainly for my organization. And it helps just keep everything all nice and tidy. Let me show you what we can fit in here. I'm just trying to pull the paper pad. So this is Pularific. I just used this to make one of the shoes just recently. But you could fit 12 by 12 paper pad in here. It's just like that. And then you can also fit the other paper pad sizes. So here is the, oh my gosh, this is the worst. Let me do something really quick and see if I could get this so you can see more of it. Sorry for the moving. I just moved you up higher so you can see what I'm trying to show you. So there it is. It's got one compartment, 12 inches in the back, and then you have two more wider compartments in the front, and this will fit your smaller paper pads. Then there's two little caddies right here. You can add your tools, all these little necessities, and it's a really thick acrylic. It's not like the Dollar Tree acrylic where it's thin. Look at that. Look at all that, guys. There's so much space. Like, I can load this sucker up. I would, you know, I'd have to reorganize my room, but that is the plan. And I have two, so I want them side by side so that when I am working on a project, I have my paper pad here on the side. Right now it's just like a hot jumble of hot mess, and with this everything is easily accessible. Like, I could put these in here, all my glues, because right now they're on a spinning caddy right here. I don't know if you guys could see this. Let me show you. So this is where I have my glue, it's nice and it's you know, convenient, but there's other ways to make it more accessible. And then here I have this little metal drinking cup. Oh yeah, you can organize this even more just by adding other little containers to it. This would really, really clean up my tabletop for me, help me get more organized. So that would be really a good way to keep me everything I need at arm's reach, you know? So these are the tools I really, really reach for. So yeah, I just wanted to show you that real quick. I have one more container and it's the same thing. It looks like this. They sent it in a bigger box, so there's 2 boxes in this thing, in a larger box, and this is what I've been waiting for. I ordered this way back in April time frame, and it didn't come right away because of all the COVID that was going on. So it finally got here, and this is what comes with it in the box. And you can see all the organization compartments that they sell. And I got it on Amazon, guys. That is the cool thing. I had free shipping because of the Prime. And the box is nice and sturdy, which is probably a good way to send out my Happy Mail that I want to send out. Coming Friday, I'll be sending out some mail. So my thought process was either have them side by side, like that, at the back of my shelf here, or have them back to back, like this. So I'd have more storage. I will link the person on Instagram who had directed me to where to find this, but she had it for her planning, because she was a planner, or she is a planner. But yeah, this is a freaking pretty cool tool to have. And let me show you. I really wanted to mainly display some of my paper pads that I have so that I could use them, you know, because they're just stored away in here. You know, it doesn't get used because I don't see it. And so that's what I'm going to try to do. And hopefully put the paper pads to more use. There we go. Look at that. All the papers that I've been hoarding, really, because I don't want to cut into them. I can have it out and put it to good use, because there's just going to be more paper collections that I'm going to want to purchase. It's a little tight though. Yeah, it's a little tight as far as 12 by 12. I think the acrylic is just stealing away some of that space because the thickness of the acrylic. It's not a real 12 by 12 size. But that's it. Hopefully I can share with you what I really do with it, or how I find a way to put it to good use. And I'll see you guys on the next video. That was just a really quick haul. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.